Wait, what the fuck was that? Oh, nice cutoff. Really? No, stop. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Another red light run, Elon.
Interrupted. Dan's closing spiel.
That's okay. We're all right. April, thank you so much for joining us.
Exit dive.
Who wants to become a patron of the show and hear?
No, stop. Oh, left turn regret.
Like, what are you gonna say? Somebody's gonna break Eric Dickerson's single season rushing record playing 2 more games?
Red light run.
I guess they gave it to him when he played 2 more games.
Wait, what the hell is that guy doing over there? Like the hell of a, just go around the block instead of doing a stupid 3-point. Oh wait, he missed. Okay, that's what he did. He missed his driveway. He misjudged that one, I guess. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Exit dive.
He rushed. He was shredding people and defenses. What was it?
Red light run.
He did it in what will probably happen with regular season.
No, stop.
Records will obviously start falling.
Left turn regret. And nice cutoff. Busy as hope. I can't put and red light run. Extra regret. Red light run, Nissan driver. Wait, what the fuck was that? Red light run again. Is another BMW douche gonna come out of the woodwork and do more dumb shit? I guess not.
Modular. I knew that could be a sound of the future, but I
Reso
didn't realize
left.
how much the impact would be. My name is Giovanni Giorgio.
Oh shit! Whoa! Red light run. Another red light run.
Do twos. Come on.
No stop. Nissan drivers.
Oh, that's just the word.
A tourist in a dream, a visitor, it seems.
Red light, run.
I tried to picture clusters of information as they moved through the computer.
Right.
One of them applied.
Turn, regret.
Ships, motorcycles.
No stop.
And then sort of feeling like, well, we can wash our hands, they'll do whatever they want with those weapons instead of sort of saying,
No stop.
what are we going to do with this? And we should be responsible.
Time for a left turn. Red light, run. Whoa, jeez. Yep. Screw Maru. No stop. Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. Just hit the east side of the East Rochester to catch some red lighter. I can't do regulate justice. Sorry. Oh, turn from the wrong lane. Bad. Stop it. No stop. No stop.
I'm on Notre Dame. I told you I thought Notre Dame was going to get put in the championship this year.
No stop.
I was kind of looking towards Ohio State. Yeah, I picked Williamson.